Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Learners, and in this video we're going to see what is the life cycle of RPA. In the previous video we have seen what is RPA, what are the benefits of RPA and how it is used in different sectors of, and in this video we're going to see the different phases of RPA, and let's go ahead and see that. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing for more videos. And let's go here. So what is the life cycle of RPA, or the different phases of RPA, right? Now you know what is RPA, and you need to know what are the different stages of RPA and where it is starting and where you will develop the flow and what we do after that. So the first stage of RPA is the discovery. What is RPA? We are automating a manual process, right? So first, finding those manual processes is the discovery phase. The process automation, which process you need to automate, is the main the important task, and that is the discovery task or the discovery phase. And the second one is analysis and documentation. Every process is automatable or is automated using RPA, but when there is a need for improvement in the process, you need to do that. How can you do that? By analyzing the process, where are the gaps, or before implementing RPA, what changes that you can make to the process in order to get that reliable and more suitable for RPA, right? And that is the analysis phase. After the analysis is completed and you've seen the process, how the manual process is being done and the developments before RPA are done, then the next step is to document it. Documentation helps you to see the manual process steps and also what are the automated steps that you are providing, or all the documentation, all the manual steps, all the required input files and the output files, what the process is, all those are documented here in the second phase of the RPA life cycle, which is analysis and documentation. The third one is the development part. After the documentation, now the developers will start developing the process by using the documentation that is already created, the manual steps. And after developing the process, they will start testing it. After the testing is the fourth phase, where you are almost there in the RPA life cycle. After completing the testing or the user acceptance testing or the unit testing or the workflows testing and the code review and all the other things will come under the testing part, where the code review is being done and the test cases is being validated. After completing all that, after completing the user acceptance testing as well, you will go for the next phase, which is deployment. Now you have the process automation with you. We need to deploy it in order to run it by the robot 24/7, right? So that is the fifth stage. So we completed all the stages of a life cycle. Now the last step is maintenance. The process automation, we are automating a business process, right? Or maybe 6 months or down the line, or the 1 year down the line, the process might change, or they implemented new things to their website, or the website that you automated, or the application that they are using, they modified it, they added few more fields to it. Then you need to update the process in order to work with the business requirements. So that comes under the maintenance part of maintaining that particular robot and updating the process when it is required. And also after deployment, there is another, it is a part of the maintenance called the hypercare, where you see, observe the bot behaving as the required manner, or there is any gaps or bugs that is need to be fixed. Those are fixed in the hypercare, and this is the complete life cycle of RPA. And these are the main areas or the main phases of RPA that you need to know before actually going to implement it. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.